To reset a front-load washer, start by disconnecting and unplugging it from its power source. Then wait approximately 1 minute. Next, plug the unit back into the outlet and restart it. After waiting for about half a minute, open and close the front door several times to reset all the machine parts. To verify that the reset was successful, run a spin cycle without any laundry. If this process does not work, it may be necessary to consult the machine's handbook or contact customer support for further assistance. Resetting a front-load washer can often resolve error codes that occur from time to time, and it can usually be done without the need for a technician or expert. The reset process may vary slightly depending on the specific machine, but following these steps can help to resolve issues and get the washer working properly again.